Our Toiletry Series at Travel Likes Me is crafted for adventurous and active travelers who value personal care and grooming on the go. Engineered to be compact, organized, and leak-proof, our products ensure you can maintain your hygiene and self-care routine effortlessly. Introducing key members of our series. Squeezers made from food-grade silicone. These 60 milliliters travel bottles are cabin-approved and perfect for carrying small amounts of liquid. With convenient hooks, suction holder, and label windows, they offer hands-free convenience. Cream jars, crafted from food-grade silicone. These jars are your ideal travel companion for skincare. The leak-proof design and large opening make them easy to use and fill, while the portable, space-saving structure ensures they're perfect for on-the-go use. Spray and pump bottles, constructed from high-quality food-grade PTG and PP materials. These bottles are safe and non-toxic for storing skincare products. The large opening facilitates easy pouring and filling, and the leak-proof design with strong sealing prevents any spills during travel. The spray bottle ensures uniform dispersion of liquid, while the pump bottle is suitable for various products such as lotions, shampoos, and shower gels. AquaGuard Travel Pouch. Made from high-quality thermoplastic polyurethane, this pouch is dirt-resistant, waterproof, and easy to clean. Its lightweight design makes it an excellent companion in wet environments, supporting your travel adventures without adding bulk. Don't settle for less. Travel light and maintain your grooming standards with Travel Likes Me's Toiletry Series.